Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with a late 60s Montgomery Ward 260 Mojave, or make it simple, a Benelli Mojave 260 single cylinder. No, it's not mine. It's not my motorcycle. It's a friend of mine. Like I said before, guys, it's great to have good friends that have great motorcycles, and this is one of those. We're gonna see if we can get it going. See if we can get it running, but let's take a closer look at it. The styling of this motorcycle is just really cool. When you look at it, I like the tank and seat, the way it flows in together. They had an off-road version. This is the street version. They had an off-road version that had a high pipe on this side. Yeah, it needs a little work on the exhausts, and it may ride a little rough with those dirt daubers there, so we're going to try to get those off. Again, look, there's more of them here. But it's a cool motorcycle. Let's see if we can see here. It just says the model number, but Ward's Wheeled Goods. That was such a day back in the day, right? These catalog companies, Montgomery Ward, Sears, they just got manufacturers to label them what they wanted them to be. And Sears did it with Allstates, with Vespa and Puch. Montgomery Ward's and Ward's Riverside did it with Benelli. It's awesome. This thing's going to clean up nice. I'm going to clean it up, then we'll see what it takes to get it going. It shouldn't be much. It needs a battery, and maybe the point's cleaned. It kicks over, so let's go ahead and clean this sucker up and then get back to you in just a minute. Go. GoPro, stop recording. Let's take a peek back here. Let's see what's back here. Just because if there's anything in there. Oh, I love the way this is going already. A toolkit, insurance card. I'll try to hide their information, and a spark plug. We'll keep that out. Let's take a look at this. Man, we have been hitting the jackpot with this toolkit. Is awesome. It's been rolled up forever. It may not be complete, but we'll dig up, see if we can do some research. There's not a lot of information out there on these guys, so it'll be interesting to find out what we can find. Look at this guy. So it's nice to have this. So let's put that back on. Looks good on the inside. It had that's probably the insurance card information that came off on the back. Let's put this guy back on. It looks like this guy has been painted somewhat, not very well. See how it looks like there's like gold overspray right here? We'll be able to tell a little bit more once we wash it, but it's not everywhere. It's like, see, there's some on the top side of the center stand, but not on the back side. It's like this part right here has got some, but there's some right here. It's kind of odd. Looks like there's none on this. We'll see when we clean it. There's none up here on this side, but I thought I saw a little bit over here, and it wouldn't have faded like that. You see how it's got here? So let me set you guys up. Let's clean this sucker up. Jeez, this thing came out so good. This seat, we finally got through it. Ended up having to use some spray cleaner with bleach to finally get through to it. It's so much better. The only bad thing is the exhaust right here. It probably just had, based on what was on the seat, probably some mouse pee or something. It probably just ate the chrome off right there. Just sitting in the shed. It's been in the shed for years, so but it's pretty awesome. It was last registered in 01, so 22 years ago. So we're gonna see what we can do to see if we can get this sucker running. But it made such a transformation. Now it looks like this, if you remember what it looked like before. Jeez, this thing is awesome. Okay, so Benelli didn't do a really good job of making this thing easy to service. You have to take off the whole side cover over here, the kickstart lever, and loosen the foot peg just to get the cover off, just so you can clean the points. They didn't make it super serviceable, so let's get in and let's see if we can clean these points. I'm just going to use the points file right here and just get in here and file these points. Let's see if we can get in here. Turn the key off. There we go. Okay, looking right here, let's see if we have some spark. Yeah, I think I heard some. There you go. There you go. There you go. You see it. We got spark. Let's see what's next. So let's see what's in this fuel cap, in this fuel tank, I mean. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. That looks good. Oh, it'll hold some fuel. That's not bad at all. Cool. So we have the auxiliary fuel tank hooked up on the handlebars here, and we got it plugged in here. Just make sure it float doesn't leak. This is a primer. It doesn't look too good. It looks like it may have stopped. It was leaking before, and I beat on it like a cabin screen door, so it seems pretty good right now. Let's move some stuff out of the way so I can kick it. Let's see if this guy will make some noise. Oh yeah! I think my slide may be stuck. Come on. Come on, you heard it. Oh, that was just to give me hope. Ah, it's coming. Let's see if I can find a choke. Oh, I don't know what, but... Oh, it wants to run. Shoot. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Maybe just putting fuel in it's not going to do it. And my carburetor may need to be cleaned. Got the carburetor back on. The only bad thing is that our throttle cable didn't survive. The end at the throttle when I went to turn it snapped off. So we'll have to see what we can do to either source another one or to just make one. So we've got some cables on the wall over there, so we'll look and see what we can do. But let's see if we can kick this thing again, see if it makes some noise. Okay, key on the throttle. I do not have, we got the carburetor, got fuel on. I do not have a throttle, so if it starts, it'll just idle. If it starts. Let's try that. Let's see. I think I may have adjusted the idle. Okay, guys, this sucker has been whooping us. This 1968 Montgomery Ward's Benelli Mojave 260 has been beating us up. We've got spark, we've got compression. I checked the timing. Timing's right. We got fuel, we cleaned the carburetor. We got it to make some noise before we cleaned the carburetor. We cleaned the carburetor and no bueno, nothing. In the process, our throttle cable broke. I ended up managing to fix it. I fixed the throttle cable, put it back on. Still no bueno. We've got nothing. It's saying, I don't want to do it. So right now, I think our next step in what we're going to do in the next episode is we've got to pull this clutch cover off because I've got to loosen up. My clutch plates are stuck, so I can't put it on the starter roller because I can't pop the clutch. I've got to pull this off, pull the clutch plates off, unstick them, put them back on so that we can then at least try the starter roller to get this sucker going, because that'll be a whole lot easier than my right leg, because I have been kicking the bejesus out of this thing. So next episode we'll free up the clutch plates, and then we should be on the starter roller, and hopefully we'll be running soon after that. That's what's holding us up. So apologies that we didn't get it running in this episode, but we'll get it running in the next one, or the next one, or the next one. We'll get it running. Just don't know exactly which episode it'll be in. So we'll try to get it running as soon as possible in the very next one. Hopefully the very next one that you see with this guy. That's where we are. I want to get it running because I want to ride it. This thing is so darn cool. Look at it. Everything about it. I just want to roll down the street on a big yellow banana boat. This thing is awesome. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycles, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.